All right, this is Student Affairs. We are still on simultaneous equation challenge. 100 questions, we are going to deal with it. This is number 14. Now, we have a little bit complicated simultaneous equation here. Equation 1, 2x plus y equals 1. Equation 2, x squared plus y squared equals 13. All right. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. We are going to manage our space. Equation 1 is a linear equation. Equation 2 is not. It's a bit complex. But we are going to deal with it. All right. We are going to be solving with substitution method. Okay. The first thing we do is to make y the subject of formula in the linear equation, in the simplest equation. Are you following? All right. Okay, we now have solution. To make y the subject of formula here, we have y equals 1 minus 2x. 2x crosses equality sign, becomes minus 2x. So this is what we have. Now, the next step is to substitute y in the complex equation. That is equation 2. Meanwhile, this is our equation 3. All right. Now, let us substitute y in equation 2. X squared x squared plus, what is y? Right? Y is 1 minus 2x. Remember, there is a square here. All squared equals 13. Are you following? All right. We are going to expand this bracket because this square is affecting everything in this bracket. So let's quickly do it here so that I will now put it here. 1 minus 2x squared is the same thing as 1 minus 2x times 1 minus 2x. Are you following? Let's open the bracket. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times minus 2x is minus 2x, right? Minus 2x times 1 is minus 2x. Minus 2x times minus 2x. Minus times minus will give you plus. 2x times 2x will give you what? 4x squared. Are you following? All right. 1 minus 2x is what? Minus 4x plus 4x squared. All right. So having expanded this, we are going to bring it here because this 1 minus 2x all squared is the same thing as this. So we now have x squared plus 1 minus 4x plus 4x squared equals 13. Are you following? All right. X squared plus 4x squared will give you what? 5x squared, right? That's this and this. Now, plus 1 minus 4x equals 13. 5x squared, right? Minus 4x equals 13 minus 1. 5x squared minus 4x equals 12. Now, follow me carefully. 5x squared minus 4x plus 12 crosses equality sign becomes minus 12 equals 0. All right, we are going to find the numbers that, two numbers, when you add them together, they will give you minus 4x. All right, let's look at 10 and 6. Okay, minus 10 plus 6 will give you minus 4, right? So we can as well say minus 10x plus 6x will give you what? Minus 4 what? X. So the whole of this is the same thing as this, which is this. So we are going to substitute minus 4x with this. This is the same thing as this, right? Okay, we have 5x squared plus 6x minus 10 what? X minus 12 equals 0. Are you following? At this juncture, we will factorize. Okay, let's factorize. 5x squared plus 6. What is common? X. 5x squared divided by x will give you what? 5x, right? All right. What is common here is what? 6. So you have plus 6. What is common between 10x and 12 is minus 2. Minus 2 is common. So we say minus 2 bracket minus 10x divided by minus 2 will give you what? 5x. Minus 12 divided by minus 2 will give you what? Plus 6. Okay, let's rewrite the equation here. X bracket 5x plus 6 minus 2 bracket 5x plus 6 bracket close. Since this and this are the same, we are going to pick one. So what we now have is what? 5x plus 6 equals 0. X minus 2 equals 0. 5x equals minus 6. X equals 2. X equals minus 6 over what? 5. And x equals 2. These are the two values of x. So let's substitute x as 2 in equation 3 to be able to get the value of y. Y equals 1 minus 2x, right? Y equals 1 minus 2x times 2. Minus 2 times 2 is what? Minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. So y equals 1 minus 4. Y equals minus 3. So if you use minus 3 as y and substitute in this equation, the value is going to be 1. You can finish off the remaining parts. That is why we are teaching you simultaneous equation. Today's one looks a bit complex, but it's also very simple. This is Student Affairs. Follow for more.